Get ready for the most anticipated event of IISF 2023, the IISF Challenge. It's not just a competition, it's a celebration of curiosity, creativity, and breaking new ground in the world of science. Unlike anything you've seen before, the IISF Challenge is not about breaking existing records. It's about setting the stage for a new era of scientific exploration and inspiring the next generation of innovators. Imagine being part of a challenge where school children from around the nation come together to perform a unique space-related activity. They'll assemble a kit in record time, witness its launch, and even record data on their mobile phones. It's a blend of fun and learning like never before. But here's the twist. This challenge will be revealed on the day of the event. It's a surprise that will keep you on the edge of your seat, fueling the excitement and unleashing the spirit of discovery. Step into the Hall of Fame where the accomplishments of previous editions stand tall as a testament to hope and creativity. These achievements serve as a source of inspiration for visitors, showcasing the incredible feats of young minds. Join us at the IISF Challenge on 18th January 2024, where we are not just creating records, we are creating a future driven by passion, curiosity, and the pursuit of knowledge. Be part of the excitement. Be part of the IISF 2023.